Here we have a disassembly video of brand new oil filters for the Bosch style filters. Two different types here that I have. This will be group 3, which is part of a series that I'm doing, and I'm disassembling all different brand and model oil filters, so please check out my other videos. I'll place them down below the video. But let's get into the Bosch style filters here, and let's break down and see what they're about. So I have two different types here. I have this one here, which is made in Vietnam, and this one here is made in Mexico. Okay, this is the 3974, and this one is the 72271 WS. These are for the same exact application. I think this is the more standard one, and this is the more premium filter offered by Bosch. They're exactly the same application and for the same car. So we're going to open them up and see if there's any difference, visually and geometry-wise and like feature-wise, and see if there are any internal differences. So let's go ahead and start with the standard-looking one, and then we'll work our way to the premium. So this one is the one that's made in Vietnam, and it comes with a nice protective layer on there, which is nice. Most companies do not do that. So let's put this aside. So let's pull that film off, which is on there pretty good. Okay. Looks like a standard Bosch oil filter. Okay. Nothing that jumps out at me. Everything looks normal. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Like I said, this is the more standard filter compared to the other one, which is labeled as the premium filter. It's like opening up a tuna can. This tool works great. All right, so let's take a look at the internals here. Let's get everything centered. Very common end cap here where the threads. Nice O-ring gasket there. Then we pull out the main piece. We have a spring to keep the filter spring loaded. And the anti-drain back is inside there, okay? So we have this like spring loaded. You press in the center here and it kind of like pushes in on the plunger inside there. I don't know if you can see that. The anti-drain back is assembled inside of the filter element. Rubber seal, everything looks good there. And we have a filter element. This is our main piece. This is the heart of the filter. Okay, we have what looks to be a paper, could be synthetic fiber, I don't know, because they all kind of, they can be any color, and you can't really tell, okay? Unless they specifically say it on the box, and sometimes they don't. So, very simple construction on the Bosch. This is the standard filter, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I could be wrong, but I'm going to go ahead now and look at the premium filter and see if there's any difference or notable comparison to that one itself. Okay, so this was very standard. Let's go ahead and put this back together. We'll give you one last look at that really up close. You got that kind of center plunger there. Filter media looks normal. This filter media is actually, this filter in general is just like a lot smaller than the other comparable ones. Like I said, I bought 16 filters, all for the same exact application, and I see some filters that are much bigger, like a half-inch taller and a little bit wider in diameter. But this one is like on the smaller end so far. I'll try to do a big comparison video at the, on a separate video when it comes to all 16 filters that I purchased for the same exact application in this video, to give you guys the breakdown of each one of these and dissect them all. So let's put this one aside for right now. This is the Bosch standard, I'm going to call it. And then here we have the Bosch premium. This one here is made in Mexico. It says it right on the box here, made in Mexico. Labeling is a little bit different. It's got this label stuck to it versus like on here, it's printed on, okay? A little bit different of a labeling. Everything on this side seems exactly the same. We have the same amount of perforations, a little bit bigger on these through holes here on the premium. So maybe you get a higher flow aspect to this filter here. So let's go ahead and open this up now and see what the internals look like. Okay, that cracked right open. Let's see. Put down our tool. Let's get centered here. All right, so female side looks the same. We have a orange kind of silicone gasket there, rubber seal. And here we have what looks to be almost exactly the same. There's a little flange here for the bottom to keep it centered. Okay. Filter media looks exactly the same to me. It looks a little thinner actually compared to this guy. Same kind of like anti-drain back on the inside. It's a little bit different style. It's made out of metal. Okay, that's fully metal. Let's see if we can pull this out. So here we have the fabric looks thicker on this one here, okay, on the non-premium. But on the one labeled premium, the pleats, it looks like it has thinner material, thinner fabric, like filter media in comparison to this. So that's one thing to note. All metal construction though when it comes to the anti-drain back. So on this one here, it had a plastic plunger. Now it has a metal plunger, okay, on the center there. So that will depress, and that's the anti-drain back valve or feature. Okay, so all metal construction in this, I guess, is the main difference. You know, it has that little centering bracket there to kind of like locate this in the filter housing. When it comes to the seal, it looks exactly the same as the other one, but larger ports on this side. So yeah, I guess you could say this is a little more premium, a little more high flow compared to this other one, okay? The internal structure, so that's one thing I can definitely tell is different. So the internal wall, the cylinder, this has a bunch of like slots cut all the way around it compared to this one, which has holes, like through holes that are round. These are more like slots, little slits cut all the way around in a helical fashion. These are helical, but they're just round holes, through holes, compared to the different style of perforation on this one. Okay. So more perforations means higher flow. Okay, and then all metal construction is always a plus because that means a more durable, more robust, longer lasting oil filter in comparison to anything that has plastic or fiber end caps. Okay. So all metal construction in my book is the way to go when it comes to these filters, because as I'm taking these different filters apart, like I said, I have 16 different ones. I'm noticing some differences and some patterns, okay? And the all metal ones seem to be the more premium filters. And the ones that are cheaper and less premium have more fiber end caps or like, you know, plates on them, versus that are glued to the filter media versus everything encapsulated in like a metal end cap. So let's go ahead and compare these now and do a final summary on these two Bosch filters that I just tore apart. All right, so let's do a recap on the Bosch set of filters that I have here in this oil filter comparison dissection series of mine. So as I stated, we have definitely a more premium offering here from Bosch. All metal construction when it comes to end caps and the anti-drain back device. And on this side we have almost all metal construction, but that plunger for the anti-drain back is plastic or a composite material. Slightly bigger seal when it comes to this flap on the end on the premium versus this black seal on the more standard. And another big difference is the amount of perforations on the interior wall, that cylinder on the inside. We have round style perforations compared to more long, elliptical style like slots all the way around the inside of this thing. I would say this has more perforations, the premium does, than this one here. Now, does that matter? I don't know. It's just an observation, and that's why I did these. I'm making all these videos for each style and type of oil filter from all these different brands. So please check out down below the video other videos in relation to this series of disassembly and checking out different brands. Okay, so Fram, Mobil 1, AC Delco, Baldwin, Mahle, Wix, and a whole bunch of other cheaper oil filters out in the market that I got from Rock Auto. But that there is the Bosch set. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.